Hello YouTube. Pour le français, bonjour et salut. Okay, now let's move this stuff all out the way. So we're going to begin with the darker shade of the paper up. Well, today, first of all, we are making Pablo the penguin. So, step 1, valley fold and unfold corner to corner. So first, you're going to look a bit like a diamond. So then, you're going to place it like this on the lighter side, and then you're going to fold it down to the corner. And then you're going to unfold it and then do the next crease. You're going to do the same thing, but a bit differently. It's just on the place where you didn't do the crease. Now, we're going to unfold that, and then we're going to fold the right tip inward. The farther you fold it, the shorter the penguin. Okay, you all done that? Okay, now, step 3. Turn the model over, top to bottom. So it'll look a bit like this. Now we are going to fold the corners inwards. So to explain it for origami geniuses, valley fold the edges about halfway to the inner crease. About halfway. Now there's my halfway. Now I'm just going to do the second one, and then we can catch on to step 5. We're getting close to our full penguin. Well, there's no competition. So now this is what it will look like. It won't be preferably green or pink, but that's the paper I chose for all of my things, obviously. This one didn't quite work out, but still. So now we've done this, we're on to step 5. Valley fold the left point. It's going to look like this. Valley fold the left point in. The farther you fold it, the larger the penguin's head. Then rotate model. Quarter turn clockwise. I want my penguin's head to be about that big. Step 6. Mount and fold the model in half. Now we're going to do this along the halfway crease that we made earlier. Now, step 7. Create the head. Swivel the top. To create the head, swivel the top flap. Oh, it's meant to be folded this way. Everybody, for fold it so you don't see, so you don't make it like, don't fold it to make it like this. You've got to fold it in half that way so you see a lot more green. It's going to look a bit like this. To create the head, swivel the top flap upwards and recrease it in its new position. So, if you want to make it stand up, just make it go a little further like that. Now, we are then going to need a pen we're going to need a pen. Then we're going to take black or any other colour that you like. But for me, I'm going to go for black. And then you draw like a little eye for your penguin. And maybe some feet. Or you could just stick some feet on. But for me, I'm just going to draw feet. Like my faithful assistant has advised me. Okay, now you know how to make your penguin. Now we've made it bold and strong, he is not so shy anymore. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like it. Put a like. And thank you for watching my show. That's all from Origami for Kids today.